Hi again, everybody. It's Monday morning, November 21st, 2022. Here's a look at the Astro Excel chart. We have an abbreviated week this week with it being the holiday week, Thanksgiving Thursday, and then a partial trading session on Friday. Early this week, we had a little upward pressure last night. We didn't get that in the market. We just slowly drifted downward just inside that range of that swing down from Friday. We are at the peak on the Astro Excel green, and we're going to drift down with that into tomorrow at about 7:30 a.m. where that bottoms out. We get a down spike here on the blue line at right around midnight as we begin the morning of the 22nd. And then we're kind of flatlining from there through the rest of the day on Tuesday, and a very slight updrift between the 10 and 20 line on Wednesday. Thursday and Friday this week are pretty inconsequential. Wednesday just looks like it's going to be not much pressure either way. You can see the blue line is also locked inside plus and minus 10. So last week we were kind of tracking the blue line more so than the green line, but the important spike points here are both on Tuesday, the one here at midnight, and then this other one during the day session about 11:30 a.m. So that's what the Astro Excel looks like. It's a little bit of a conflict to my swing forecast, which is expecting a high on the daily bar chart tomorrow. It's possible we could get that high today and then start to drift down into tomorrow. Here's the Vedic chart. We've got a couple of timing windows today. You can see we've got the white window here between 10:20 and 11:33 with the green block right here at 11. And then later tonight we have another one at 2000 that goes to 23:45. So the key window for today will be right here, this morning window from 10:30 to 11:30 area. You want to watch where the segments change. Those will be keys too for timing. These price lines are pretty much from last week. They're still in play as we haven't really breached any of those areas yet. I added the three orange lines based off of the triangle math method. It'll give us some upside resistance areas if we tend to move up there today. So in that 10:30 to 11:30 window, you can take a look at the rainbow chart and see what's happening there. The most key point, you can see the white and the bright green windows, but the most key point would be the beginning of this window right at the end of the Vedic timing window from the prior chart, right at 11:30, which is near the end of that window, where we get this beginning of this bright green window on the A4, the bright green A3, and then we have the green on the A1. So that would be the most important point that would likely tie a significant pivot in. Bringing in the pH chart, looking inside that time period again from 10:30 to 11:30, we've got the end of the yellow segment here at 10:53, which will be an important time. The overnight low came in at 4:30 a.m. right here on the start of the light blue segment, and that would be this area right here about 10:55. So that is another key point in that window. So you're definitely going to want to be paying attention around 10:55 and 11:30 today for a key pivot to take place in that Vedic timing window. So that'll do it for today. We'll see you again tomorrow with another video.